Chapter 14, solving linear equations, commerce problems. Okay, we went through this part before. I want you to have a symbol for everything that you need in the equation, and I call that the preamble. So, example 1. A retailer buys 20 pairs of shoes from a manufacturer. The retailer has expenses. He or she needs to travel, probably to pay rent, utilities, taxes, and so on. And to cover her or his expenses, the retailer adds a fraction of the cost of a pair of shoes to the cost when the pair is sold. This is called profit. Profit is used to pay expenses. That fraction, usually a percent of the cost, is called markup. Now, suppose the shoes don't sell. Maybe the fashion changes, the economy worsens, the clientele migrates. The retailer has to get rid of the shoes. As an incentive to entice customers to buy, the retailer takes off a percent of the before discount price, which we call the retail price. This fraction is called the discount. The sales price is the price at which the shoes will sell after application of the discount. The discount is sometimes called a markdown. So markup from cost, markdown from retail price. The phrase markup is percent of cost. You may remember that from amount is percent of base. So the emphasis is on the is and the of. The is the equal sign, the of the multiplication. That form is very, very useful. Okay. Suppose the pet store buys 16 pairs of shoes at a cost of $27 each. The markup rate is 40%. What is the markup and what is the sales price? Well, let S be the sales price. Then the cost is $27 and the markup rate is 40%, which as a decimal is 0.4. So the markup is a percent of the cost, which is $10.08. And the markup is $10.08. The sales price is $27 plus $10.80 or $37.80. Now note the markup is 0.4 out of every single dollar that it is the cost. Then the sales price is $1 plus $0.4 or $1.4. $1 for cost, $1.4 for sales price. We could have found the sales price more quickly by multiplying 27 by 1.4. We get 37.8 also.